Hello dear aspirants, this is Dr. Sourav Sir Classes. Our contact number is 98367930076. Again, I am repeating our contact number, which is 98367930076. Again, so our email ID is soravsirclasses@gmail.com. So if you have any mathematical queries, doubts or anything, so please feel free to contact on this number. That means you can call on this number or you can WhatsApp also. Rather, you can drop an email to our email ID. Then you can enjoy all the services of Dr. Sourav Sir's classes, like you can join our regular batches, our one-on-one sessions and our online classes. So that will be beneficial for your preparation of upcoming examinations like ISI, CMI, TIFR, NBHM, etc. And that will be beneficial for your semester exams also. So please feel free to contact if you need any help from us. So now we are going to solve a problem. So that is appeared in the IIT JAM Mathematical Statistics paper, and the question is telling us that if this thing, that means xy is can be approximated to by this into and 0 1 0 0 1 1 half, then the value of expectation of e to the power minus xy will be what? So we have to calculate the expectation of e to the power minus xy. So what can be done with this? So how can we do that? So we would have, or rather we would write with this: mu x is equals to 0 and our mu y is equals to 0. This, so the means are this, and the sigma x square is equals to 1 and our sigma y square is equals to 1, and our rho is equals to 0.5, which is correlation. These are the variance and these are the means. So we need to compute e to the expectation of e to the power minus xy. So the properties of xy is what? Since our xy is a bivariate normal, so we can write our y equals to rho x plus 1 minus root over 1 minus rho square z, where our z is an independent standard normal random variable. So substituting our rho equals to 5, that means the correlation coefficient is our 0.5. So after putting in this, we would get, that will be x by 2 plus, or we would write half into x plus root 3 by 2 z. So now we are going to compute the expectation of e to the power minus xy. So we can write, let me shift the screen to the up. So expectation of e to the power minus xy is equals to expectation of e to the power minus x into half x plus root 3 by 2. Okay, so just we are going to simplify the exponent. So the exponent is minus xy, that is equals to minus half x square minus root 3 by 2 x z. Okay. So thus our expectation of this thing will be now expectation of e to the power minus half x square minus root 3 by 2 xz. So now we are going to use the independence of x and z. Since our x and z are independent, so we can factor the exponent expectation. So we would get now that is equals to, that means this thing will be now, let us, so now that will be what? So that will be expectation of e to the power minus half x square into e to the power 3 by root 3 by 2 minus x z. So fine, so good. So now using the law of iterated expectation, we would get that will be equals to expect this ex of e to the power minus half x square into z of this. Yeah. Okay. So the inner expectation, that means the expect ez and this thing is the moment generating function of z. So which is this is equals to will be e to the power half into minus root 3 by 2 x whole square. So that will be what? So that will only be e to the power 3 by 8, and we would x square as a multiplication form of this. Okay. So our expectation of xy will finally be, sorry, expectation of e to the power minus xy will finally be now this of e to the power minus half x square into e to the power 3 by 8 x square. So that will be our expectation of x with the, then that will be e to the power 3 by 8 minus half x square. So that will be what? Let me shift the screen. X, then we would get 3 by 8, and we know that our half will be 4 by 8. So we would get minus 1 by 8 here, minus 1 by 8 x square. Okay. So now finally we have to only calculate these things. So what we would get, so our, as we know that our x can be approximated by this n0 normal of 0 1. Then the expectation of e to the power x, sorry, then this thing, we is the moment generating function of x square evaluated at t equals to minus 1 by 8. So now for this, for x this approximated by normal distribution of 0 1, so our x square follows a chi-square distribution with 1 degree of freedom, and its moment generating function will be what now? That is, and that will be equals to 1 upon. So just we have to substitute the t equals to 1 minus 1 by 8, then we only get the correct answer of this question. So then what we would get, 1 minus 2, and that would be minus 1 by 8. So finally we would get 1 by root over 1 plus 1 by 4. So that is 1 by root over 5 upon 4. So that is equals to 2 root 2 by root 5. Okay, so this is the correct answer of this question. So the correct answer of this question is our option C, which is telling us that the expectation of e to the power minus xy is 2 by root 5. Okay, so again I am telling that if you are having any other doubts or any other queries, so please feel free to contact on this number. That means you can call on this number, or you can WhatsApp also, rather you can drop an email to our email ID. Then our team can arrange a doubt clearing session for you. After that you can join our regular batches, our one-on-one sessions and our online classes, so that will be beneficial for you. That means that will be beneficial for your upcoming examinations. Okay, hope you understood guys. Thank you.